So yes, peeps, we are downtown Kingston in Jamaica, and it's New Year's Eve, and everyone is out to see the fireworks. Yep. See, everyone is out. I don't know, it's your man, Holy Fire 777. Najan is here. Say something, Najan.
Hi.
Yep, everyone is out. See, the street is busy. Yep. Najan, come here. Yep. I guess they don't know how to cross the street or run across the street long before them. Yes, so people is out. Yep. People park everywhere. Every side of the road. You see? Yep. So it's a man, Holy Fire 777 out here. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, Holy Fire. Yep. So see it, all streets are blocked off. Everyone come out for the fireworks. This is what it's like in Jamaica. Every corner of the road, every corner, every street, you have a sound system string up. People don't sleep tonight until daylight. Yes, and the police them out whole heap. Yep. Yes, so we're heading to Waterfront, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Jamaica. Yep, see? Police them out enough. And family members are out. A lot of families out also. Yep. Yeah. Yep. I didn't put a face on it. Do you want me to? Yeah. This is what it's like when you're in Jamaica on holidays. Yeah, more fun. Yeah, Jamaica is all about fun, you know. People work hard and they, you know, party hard. They have a lot of fun. So this is it. Yeah. This is it. Can you show across the street? Am I saying? Oh, go across. Yeah. The street is buzzing. Huh?
There's something like this that we have seen in the road.
Oh.
The walkie-talkie, they don't
Okay. Yep. I don't know where exactly we're going. Yeah. Maris, we're walking. We're walking.
Fireworks? Yeah. Oh my god. All the way around. This side is blocked. Alright?
So we came here and then we heard that we have to walk. Go back all the way around. Like seriously. So because that side is blocked off, as you can see. Security said it's blocked off. So we have to walk all the way around. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So, as we say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, Wildfire. Stay tuned for more. It's gonna be banging. So yes peeps, this is what it's like. So the crowd is out here. Lots of people selling stuff. And everyone out just like Grand Market. This is New Year's Eve night. So it's about, not New Year's Eve I should say. Yeah, New Year's Eve I should say. So it's almost 2023 now. And this is what it's like in Jamaica. Crowd. Hold on to your mama. Hold on to your mama. Hold on to your mama. She get lost. Yeah. So people them out here. Sorry for the poor lighting. Oh, it's a crowd. Yep. Jerk pan out here and everything. Yeah. Yes. Music playing. Copyright music. There's no further house to go. Come on further. This is our welcome 2023 in Jamaica. This is how we do it. Happy New Year. Happy New Year!
Well, that was Jamaica, and that was the fireworks. How much you know you know? How much you know you know?
As you can hear, babes, busy signal on stage.
down the town and a Waterfront straight up. You know what I'm warning about them for? You know what I'm warning? What is it up here? Hey, the sounds coming me from a house. We can't pick it up if it's not right. So we don't get stuck in the house. So I will never breathe. The power is one if you're the one of this. They come over to your feet. That's all it is. They come to the blood, smile, down the dirty. So if you know you don't know what's going on, I'm not answer it. Oh, you're not regular, then keep it up. Black card, but they don't make it up. All right, everyone knows it. Who's calling me from a handroll? We don't understand no handroll. We now make it up if it's a private car. Yes, we don't understand no private. So we know who's calling me from a handroll. Don't mess up, we don't understand no handroll. We now... Yeah, we line up. I don't know when I problem started. He told me like the fireworks take on some instrument there. I don't know when I problem started. The people want entertainment now. Hold on.
It's a crowded street. Everyone heading back home now. They're saying on the road. Got block up. Yep, so we're out here. With no fear. Yeah, so Happy New Year to all of my subscribers them. Yep, and my viewers. Big up on yourself. I don't know. As we say, on fire, all the fire.